Roses are red, violets are blue. If you were a flower, I wouldn't pick you.